Welcome everyone for the online tutorial of divide and conquer technique. And the technique is explained with the simplest example, merge sort. I, Nandini BM, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, NIE, Mysuru, will be explaining the divide and conquer technique using merge sort. Firstly, the divide and conquer technique has the following structure. It is solved, any problem is solved in three stages: divide, conquer, and combine. In the divide stage, the original problem of size n is divided into sub problems each of size n by 2. So this happens to be the divide stage. Next, in the conquer stage, solution to each sub-problems are obtained recursively until no more recursion can be performed. And finally, in the last stage, the solutions obtained for the sub-problems are then combined to obtain solution for the original problem. Now let us understand this divide and conquer technology, divide and conquer technique using merge sort algorithm. The merge sort is a problem of sorting sequence of n elements into non-decreasing order. So this problem can be solved by divide and conquer strategy. So in the divide stage, the n element sequence are divided into subsequences of n by 2 elements each and then conquered by obtaining solutions for these subproblems recursively using merge sort. In the combined stage, the two sorted subsequences are merged to obtain the sorted order for the original problem. Here is an example for merge sort. The original problem is of n elements. Here n is 8. So this original problem is handled by dividing it into two subproblems, each of having 4 elements each. Now this subproblem 1 is treated as the original problem and is further divided into two subproblems having 2 elements each. The first subproblem of the original problem with 4 elements is further solved recursively by dividing it further into single element each. So this is treated as the original problem is further divided. Since it is single element, it cannot be divided further, and now come to the conquer stage, that is solving the problem. So since it is a single element, 18 is the sorted list for the problem with 18, and the second sub problem is further divided into single element. Since this is the sorted list, the solution is returned back to the sub problem. Now these two solutions 18 and 26 are combined to get the solution for the original problem. (18) is compared with 26. 18 and 26 is the solution for the subproblem 1 of the problem with 4 elements. Now it is the time for solving the subproblem 32 and 6. So further, these are again divided into two single elements, and 32 is divided into 32 and the solution is returned back. 6 is divided into 6, the solution is returned back. Now 32 and 6 are combined. 32 is compared with 6. 6 is copied first to the original list and then 32. So this is the solution for the problem with 32 and 6. Now these two problems are this is the solution for the first subproblem of 18 and 26, and this is the solution for the second subproblem with 32 and 6. Now these two are combined to get the solution for the sub-problem 1 of the original problem. 18 is compared with 6. 6 is copied first, 26 is, and this is how we obtain the solution for the original problem, sub-problem of the original problem. Left half is solved, and now coming to the right half. Right half, exactly the same procedure is followed as with the left half. The right half is solved recursively and then conquered by combining the solutions of each sub problem stage by stage. So finally we get the solution of the original problem, and these two problems are combined using merge algorithm to get solution for the original problem. So now we can see the list is completely sorted, and this sorting order is obtained by combining the sorted order of first half with the sorted order of the second half. So now let us see the implementation of merge sort. The input given to this algorithm is n numbers unsorted in an array A, and the output is an ordered sequence of n numbers. The merge sort has recursive call for sorting left half, recursive call for sorting right half. These two are the sub problems for the original problem with n elements in size, and finally combining the solution of these two halves to obtain the solution for the original problem. So what do we do in merge? So in merge, the n by 2 elements of first half is is compared with the n by 2 elements of the second half and copied into the original array A. The analysis of merge sort. T of n, let T of n be the runtime of merge sort, and we are going to solve the problem in 3 stages: divide, conquer and combine. In divide stage, the dividing the two halves into 2, dividing the original list into 2 halves takes theta of 1 time, and the conquer stage, solving the sub problems recursively, each takes t of n by 2, so it comes up to 2 into t of n by 2 time taken for solving the first half and time taken for solving the second half. In the combined stage, the sorted list of these two are merged, and number of comparisons we make here is n by n elements, that is theta of n. Hence the total time is t of n equals theta of n if there is single element, or else t of n is given a recursive relation to t of n by 2. T of n by 2 is the time for each half, hence 2 t of n by 2 plus theta of n. Applying Master's theorem, we get t of n equals theta of n log n, so which is much smaller than the time complexity of bubble sort or selection sort. Hence merge sort, which follows the divide and conquer technique, is a better approach than bubble sort or selection sort. Thank you for listening to the session.